ye nimfra e wo wiase ni nyan kwama ye kra akwanketo no so fa na didi atemwom abamubuo nsem wom nipa ka de wom pede kirewo ye fabricate story ni e dia to so they say too much wo be ye hi every single day they set up a traps for you to fall into it. Said ye be ya wonya be yin nsa na Satan fa so be wi adwuma. Nti se honhoma banko no nani da ho ka ho dia ene ye wodofo me pese wani we na ho. An hihye bi wo bebu abam no mfira chiri. Wo hihye ni fira chiri a ebe yiw hwehwe ne free baby a woda no baby a wotie ne fie na wotimu na busua na wo no e ho na expect ne so obetime free aba wo kwahwehwe na akiri a ebe yiw mi pacha wati ase shawani munyame okese se enede yinso wadi nkunim amaye yeda wase saudi yem kwacha ye keche mada bodwem mojedi mo frisane yenim se wo moja nti yedi nkunim enede erade be famisi unaso honkonkron be famisi unaso ne kasa e famemu e kire wo ma se de wo ye ne de bia no erade mama kokoduro ene tumi ne mama mama so nye de nche matamfo be kasa famemu sanse wujame a nkose asem kwa ne be firi menum aba wonam nimdie ni nyansa ewo ntiase ni nhumu erade mama wasemu nimdie nyansa ntiase ni nhumu metumi no oma kasa sansa wo mo hwemi ebi ye me maame no me nuanom me kunu no me wofa no mo me nananom e na wo mo hwemi nyama ho ofa bi nti eye wadom nti erade ye wo na wo mo betie wo nyame eni nti wo mfa mensi onaso ankasa na wujamia honam ni moja ntumi nya dwuma eni nti ho konkron fa mesi unaso ni di ujuma sede oye no de bia no mejai akoma bia hya wonsa se erade ene dai asama wo pese yetie no ene ye emeka na ye wi a yemfa wose dani meda wose me hya woni munyam se wodi nkonim ene dai nso ewo ye ne erade Yesu Kristo Nazareth ni nidimu amen odofo me ma akwaba ene ayi anopa yi me ha no mo ya anopa enyamo 12 o'clock okra or 11 something. Onyame shira so ha mote me nkanche last me buy na me be ma bad news say mase afrimu omubuso ahoboaboa on the 15th and on be 1 week and nti omugu ahoboaboa so me da munyina ase so e wo nkranhyesem mo send me messages or WhatsApp Facebook ne YouTube onyame wo hira mo na onyamo kese eda me papa akosie wua ase yie pa one me ame maame Dora se o mama mehu sampa ye Kristo mo abusua enye nchen na me ye me papa ba prekompe enya asem ketwa nti me papa tete mfikyire wa wota mechi a enye komo na me da Kristo ase se wayi misuban dada ama misuban foforo no wayi abusua dada no ama me abusua foforo nti me dia seda enikabia ema ye ne Awurade Yesu Kristo misre ne se onkoso en order me steps na enhye wono Kristo animunyam se Yesu tia sidie yeri hihim na yempa ba de biarada na me pesa obi atia se Satan he's not done working be 1 week ni onyame say yi kire me Jesus is coming back again die me hunu sem se o ma me hunu se nkofo bi de o mani atoto niam bi so wo se we bansa wo se we bansa we have to be alert so we do wani atu bibi so se oh e wo se we si ansa eniema ni bibi si wa bra wo hu eniema na wo do wani atu so se wo se si ansa no some will happen wabra wo hu enti be alert yes boa wo ho baby a wo bia boa wo ho you aggressive pa and now don't sleep na nyese 5 foolish virgins o chere me no ma me hu se nipa bi de wo mani asi bibi so they were waiting for that to happen but sani mani bi be happen and they won't even see it mpofrimu na Yesu ba be alert odofo me paucho boa wo sie boa wo nefesi and yemani bi be happen you won't see it nso na si please and I wouldn't. It could be two things. Obi be train Yesu Kristo maye. O say beba we be si. Ebia na wo fie nso wonyame ade ama na wa nuru ho na si. Ka hu se wonya wu pe o de kemoto eno ano no ye wie. Adwen sakra bia ni ho ma obiem. Nti se wo train se Yesu Kristo maye no. O se we be si die be si no. Ebeba beto ana emeto umfia wa shama on obetime du sa eho no ana ento. Now I'm getting more understanding for what I see. A wo betime ato is over for you. Say wo to before say ya wan hu wawie wo de me pa cha utie me yie pa wa dwe be yo say Yesu Kristo ba but wo se ne ma no de di nanim a ebebanie before ansa na obeba na mebusa se niema edi Yesu Kristo ba anim no wo fie na wa hihya ma wo wo satan no ebeto ana ento me pacha wo tie de meka niema edi ye na rade Yesu Kristo ba etosum yenu nanim no niema edi anim mframa na ebebo ansa na wa appear Satan na ya hihye na sa ne mani besi no wo betena se de wani ehu bi ana wo be wu before ansa na si. That is why you have to be prepared. That is why you have to get your house in order. We are living in a dangerous time. O ma mi hu ye di o ma mi hu ye no. We are thinking say we are waiting for this to happen. Impossible. Wopie. Afi people, hey. Na say yes we be happen. It could be say you will die before that time. Nso na wo de to say. Yes say beba. We beba. Enya nso ye ne kire se kwan ni wo mu. I have time. But will you live to see the day or the hour or you will just die? Obia namo infia wa hihama ye obia nim no obia e wone de. Some will witness what is going to happen. Some will face persecution, tribulation, great chaos. Ebibe will live to see it. Ebi so they will be done before that day. Are you ready to meet Jesus Christ? He is on the way coming. The man is at the door. Now, a warning. Forget about the things that is going on around you. Osenkafo kan sembi. Osenkafo kan sembi. Say yanhia, our focus will be the things around us. Say asam to ye Christopher. We shouldn't get carried away with the problem that we are going through. Yes, sir, the problem will suck us. Na ye di focus akusi ho. Na adwuma wo say ye no. Ye nye. Nti Intina osenkafo kan bibi kire ye no o ma ye di kan tiase bi o Bible no ko Ecclesiastes chapter 3 verse 4 ni yenkin kan bibi o Ecclesiastes chapter 3 verse number 4 bi o Bible no ko na yenkin kan bibi o ansa na matwa so warning nkasama nkancha warning everybody nipa bi oba wo no a wo pese wunya dankwa wo Yesu Kristo pia wo kubi because our oba omo wu no bedi kan sori e bia wo beka wo ma omo wu ne ho asori you all eyes will see the man come who e bia wo de no wo be free grave mu na ahia no e bi so you be alive. Don't let the things around you suck you away from Christ. And madia ekoso wo hunu dum honhom no. Ecclesiastes chapter 3 verse number 4. Say a time to weep and a time to laugh. A time to mourn and a time to dance. A time to cast away stones and a time to gather stones together. A time to be embraced and a time to refine from embracing. A time to get and a time to lose. A time to keep and a time to cast away. Onim se yetiasa season we will go through things. Said the radiable we say he has so many colors for us. Sa na niema ekoso no you will different etunipa every day. Nti na wan fancy no wa kire ye se ebre bi wo ho wo besu ebre bi wo ho wo dofo be gya wo ho ebre bi wo ho wo bi bewu ebre bi wo ho wo bi be yare ebre bi wo ho asem betu obi ebre bi wo ho bi be ko prison ebre bi wo ho no yare be bo obi ebre bi wo ho amane bi beto ebre bi wo ho enkoma ebre bi wo ho so wo besere ebre bi wo ho be wo ebre bi wo ho be ye party. Count it joy, all of them. Na adie nyina mu fast dama Jesus Christ e kanipa ko senkan kan ho a nko onchro wa chro ne se e kan ho se kan ho dia enye na esia yenhye na yenya Yesu ho ana ya mono so bo ana ya nka bibia nche no ana ya nka se why me ya nhye ya sadie we it was still our focus. A bit do me a home. And my preparation, I was see a change Jesus Christ. We cannot do. Every single day, Satan is looking for place. So the way I will be doom home. What did that journey but also? And it's in the Bible can they say Matthew chapter 11 verse 28. Or say what my year Juma bre no more swam on this soa. Mumra min chain na mama mahumi. This will be a juma be a ya bre, and this will be a son, and you will see it to papa so. We cannot do it. Say I'm she, na you see the yepe, Yahoo day, ye to me, ebe ye bibia. We can't do it without him. Why is the kukrumuti and son of homopo? Say ye gemwa, Satan speak every day. The bia ope baby. Obefa ukunu, obefa yere, obefa oba. Every single day. Ebia ujina brane, ukunu nyina brane. Ujina brane, oyere nyina brane. Ujina brane, oba nyina brane. Be wise. Nanse na niema ekoso na mekai Job ne yere. Nothing's go well for them. Everything is perfect. Si ekase obi akwa aware pa ewo honam famu a meka se Job yire no akwa aware pa. Because everything her husband have. Utimu se nabusuemu no na we omo frɛ ne nhira ewo honam fam. Why? She's married to a rich man. Job have everything. Oba ni tirimu ye ne de. Wa wuma kama. E die na kra epe shisha onya. all of a sudden Nikunu sikani a friend my lord miura e how kese na atuni o cheki nikunu nso a onje nyame ho nye hwe oni nyame ti say nyame na di ne ho adanse afedi all of a sudden one after the other problem we can die na nunsi ye na we ba we can die na nunsi ye na we ba we can die na nunsi ye na we ba afi na be ma ayemre mi ji Ewurade di o mi do Ewurade mi ye di Ewurade pe abrabo nkofo boy mi nye bi ade ti na wose we to me ti dan Job afedi ne yira na nka obekekere ne were no wo se nyame na de ma ono anso na agiem na wafo na ni gidie na freto nti when na Satan fa ne mum kasa eje so ko fa wo better half o yire na wo no da mpa ba ko so mo gidi bom nko wo ma ne namfofo yi bi mra meke kasa kasa se nso namfofo wo mbe kasa ne so obi edi wo otumi nya kokodro kasa dumi nyame ne wu but Job yire die ye kese ne chese Job dumi nyame no wu a oni ko so what you say me yire nka asema banka wo be chechire me were me yire nka wo be kai di onyame ene yaye for long time ago me yire nka wo be kai se onyame a chira me bia kan ne wabusua na sabre bibia ba ka wo se wo kasa me dofo me nyame no onye yese na se bibi se impa ba e bia na wo so ye na ade ye nkoso nyinini ni we fi bibia. The same as you, when problem comes, you forget about everything that God have done in your life. And ma wuri fi bibia problem ba pe na bonia ye honhoma manifested. Na wuri fi bi Christ ayama. Na wo pese wo yi ne boni Satan wo ni mo mpa wo hwe wo gidie na kuta na wo hia. Ompa oka, ompa ofie. Ompa wasase na wagege ukompene na ni nye ho. Wonim se wo gidie free time wo benya. Nti kon bia so obefa so a wo ugidie be flaton wo befa nti edu sa o ma wo kasa ye bebre won hwi wo be kasa tie Ewurade because the problem won't come one and stop about one after the other it did so but mframani ehun bia ebo no nkunimdie wachire wate me yire won tuma nka sam papa bia nkyere me ndumi nyame na menu nti sa papa na nye smart wo ho a nka his wife will be his downfall and no no ka wawie nti sa problem sa ba and she will be where chiri the person around you no be careful ho pa ho na ye worse ho na Satan be fa be kasa kire nti sa wanye stable wanye careful wanye smart woni anna ho a ntina honhoma bankono na nida hoka hono so when he na ho he will use that person closer to you now what twist away. Do you hear me? Nti was in all things we should give thanks to the Lord. Let me say 1 Thessalonians 5:18. Let me check. Your Bible Nico. Thessalonica from Idika. Your Bible Nico. We are living in a dangerous time. We are living in a dangerous time. Osemona ase adi nyinam. 1 Thessalonians chapter 5 verse 18. Osemona ase adi nyinam na yei ne de Onyankopon epe Kristo Yesu mu wo mo ho. Oti wose yenna nase adi nyinam ese wu mu obeda nase yare mu obeda nase ohia mu obeda nase sika mu obeda nase ohaw mu obeda nase in everything Ye fast dama. Because when you say ya, e ho na wadwendwene do so no, e ho so na Satan kasa kyerɛ. Bible says was say adwendwen man no mpepro. Nti Kristo ni papa bia ye mfa adwendwene nso a. Because e be pro no mpe. Adwendwene de ba so Satan kasa bebre. Ena adwene no so I was saying, "Emu ye fine." I didn't know when you fire, you will be in trouble. Troubles will come. And when me hear YouTube, I am a Nicobo, a brand TV so, me picture the farm go farm. And smoke can miss me slee, and I'm here for me. Instead of saying, "Me who you know, can you first now? Come who you know, come cook sorry." But many was one of me shall and me so see him. I just laugh. Because Bible na my say was in Shirano so young. No time, no cancer, bonny be a good so. Me be a man on the sassy already. A branty fan of bonnet channel when you the oil, and I miss the cock. Nam say, Lord, have mercy on this guy. Miss Risa, wow. Why? Because of the oil in Shiraneme. When the devil sees, say, when you may be bibia, no, I shall see no them from boom, boom, boom. No, I say, I'm correct, crum. Say the way I will focus, Beko. But so we show any more. Me nada. No, me papa be cassa. I say, I'm not sure. One way or the other, motor on any break. If you don't know. I didn't know who you are, you suits our wedding, and some who any break. Unim the one. Meaning, some me who any break was set inside. Until now, me some about my dream to free. Because me dear good, my focus will be on him, and I cannot prepare myself to meet Christ. Meaning that will be something. And I mean that, baby, I want to my mama, baby, I me draw, me shiano, obey me through. Now we are interested in passages and me didn't fear be say. Every Christian, because what kind was sister when John Nanaso, oh, you will not be and to be John Nanaso. Into when him go show him. Nesse, I dear Betchema walk up on him now, you dear, also just. Into see a Tennessee actually, who said, I was saying, didn't fear to be say, and son of me who, as a Christonia. You're playing games. A Christopher, a woo, I am for so. But making sure that we will be ready. That's the most important. Nti yei, adi nyinamu, amanfo di kukushia sie, krum, omoni abrede, de ekoso na chechire wo mo ho a, wo munya akoma, eni agene krampo, entimi kram ye wo mo no mompaye no. Satam no na ye asedam awurade. Ni ye focus. No boni for name ye. I don't know what you're going through. Sheye na honhom no wan dum no. Sheye na wan dum honhom. Made ekoso ni nyina nko na dance ye bi adanse bi wo ya na ye short. Adanse bi ya na nye de. The heat now who feeling no, and no never ma dance di na yet e be ye de. Sometimes with him, who dear that now per second na more now between ya crack. So what you see? Bible na di kan me yet ase wo se nye no honam ni moja na nya. Eni wi motum fo mpanini. Enti se wo wani abrea. Wo pese osoro aheman mu wo kokobi no. Uja okura na chese wonya yi. Wonya champion. E wo se woni ugina kokura maso na mototo. Enno na me ne me mai di nkomo. Am se awrade pese ye alert. E te se de wo ye bo football, ya seti wo bia we gina. Na ogina kokura maso. E ho no wo ye text messages. Ada ya ball ni nuru me nchen ndi. No. Any moment will be better to born if baby aba. Nti we alert. Born in your mind now we warm up. Because you better you impufim. So what you say? Nti yankasa bo ni nya nru mi ho nti. Ma me nkuta me phone na me nya text message no. Asembeto. Nti no ye gina kokrama no so Awurade aseti obi a bebi obi agina. Enye wadwe se nipa na wo akire ho no wona na sabri ne se kuta bo nti wo relax obetumi ato ma any moment. Me pacha what you say? Nti me the example nam so wo so obi football field omu gina ho even though the person doesn't have a ball yet. No kuta me phone, no test, no chat, no one nkofo di nkomo. No. What did that person do? O ya let. Ogina wo nyina no na say na dwene na koma nyina no say ade na emedi ni side nti wa ya let. Sanity. Jesus is coming back again. Satan so do how ni amane atu nipa so. We are thinking about things that infam konkonjim. And no na ye worry about it. And no na ye sleepless night about it. But we be come ni pana won no worry about certain things. Na nkwaje onyenya nkwa, oninko. But eno na enwa dwendwen to ne so mane ntete. But niema honam mu niema na di adwendwen to se nipa no so ama wo tete. Wa abras wonim na so wa ye ne kra nkwaje ho adwuma. No wo to fom na asemato. So what a lot of people don't know. We are living in a dangerous time. And danger is ahead of us. No one knows what is ahead of us. Now, you're going to use this hour. You're going. You do baby now through to how unako komutimi woso nyakomo. This is just the beginning. Afena ya fruko. Afena Satan so be yire nyem. So what you say? Nti sabre ye ma problem ba ko mienu bi enchichire ye emfa ye hye kona. Na ye nye so soft mpa ye kora ye ntumi mmobi na kampese ye Bible. We should be very careful. First Thessalonians chapter 5 verse 6. It just was a moment. Was it entimuma yen was a mumma yen se mumma yen na se wana akano na emum mumma yen na yen eni ena ho if we say wana wada da anajo na wa bro ebro anajo na yen a yeye adechie de yi mumma yen eni ena ho na yen hye gidie ne odo nkatabo ne nkwagie eni daso se dadie che if we say onyankopon ayi yen ama abuf ose nti if we say onyankopon ayi yen ama abufu na emum woyi yen se yen Awurade Yesu Kristo enti yemmenya enkwagye. Hallelujah. So what you say? Ye ya de chema onyankopon amfre wanyi amabufu nti yenwen na yeni na ho. If you're not vigilant here, you will be mobo. If you're not vigilant, you will get carried away. If you're not vigilant, something will happen. Be very wise. Ye ya de chiema. Ye ne da se wo ma da na jo no ma boboro no. No. Nipa ni bia de da. They have no clue what is going on. Sabra me no kasai obi worry about na ware ne wedding obeye ehun preparation ehun adwendwen na afa akoma na ne adwene ni nyina onim se echina eye ne dia ana adechie ebeto no ana mini se wona nim no obetwa onim. So what you say onim obi na dwuma bi a wo bebie obi ebi ani kunu bi ewu ne baby ewu ne mami bi ewu ni focus nyina gina ho Kristo ni o ni reso afise Bible na kase ye mawufo nsie wo na wufo saadie na tona gine na koma wagye wade ho kora we need time to pray e wo se wo tena se na wo so busa ho se nipa na wawu na me ya bodam no ma adwini nyina na makoma nyina min kai me so me hu se me so me nkyene bo wono die wo hu ne die na me so sai na me kono na sabre yi se me free ha me ye hwan dia on busa ne ho abusuapani bi atena se a chiman so dendenden on tena se musa ne ho se menso me de da be ne beso no waye ne kra nkwaje ho dum nti wona nam ho sai wore saa wono soso tim me sro Kristo ni bia tam na ye wumu no nye tama ye bonsiri hehe edi efusane eye niema emfa nkwaje mre yen ya namu ntutu nyina based on ye nkwaje based on Christ in everything she na wa ma honamfo no amfa wo honam ye adwenjene ameto so anyi Kristo ensi nchen wudi agroso they will do it omo de honam fam niema no honam fam adwenjene no honam fam de omo ye no ebeto agene ne akoma no ama Satan atiki over ama wo refi Kristo every single day be alert. Don't give chance. Everything you do, let it base on Christ. Sana person tiasi. Yebra akana Isra. Yebra akana Yesu Kristo abano is too small. And intimacy. Ebra akano etia. Ebra akano etia. I hope some make such a obine. Ebra ewe ye nimu ni so. Nti se wrade si ade nyina mu yemfa sedama no dia. De betu bia wo seba na kan to wan. What will be a elect be out? We better make good news or bad news. It's two things. Good news about praise the Lord. Bad news about praise the Lord. That's it. Let's move. Anything can happen. O baby to me, who couldn't bet me, who mammy bet me, who papa bet me, who offer bet me, who nipa. Everything can happen. Count it joy. So what said you here? Your focus will be there. You will be like a foolish virgin. Yen she na yen dum hon. We are living in a dangerous time. Everything you do, catch a radisa ne penyo. Say ye ne person be ho. Say Jesus Christ pa e be ho. She no one fa pe anye bibia. Ye ti ase ye ti mewrade. Ye wuso a ye wu mewrade. Ne se wo be wu amewrade a igina de wo ye nenne. De okuta saadwini we no, onfa ho ne asroche ene niema ebo ne bonkum ne nifa. Koso wonim se edase bo me bo dane a at the end of the day, the place that I'm going, you're right. And a first show I dream so say, Unyam a tete toton, a quankito on a sofano, massa, nyakom. Nipper been to us here. Some people would think you're crazy. Some people will think you don't know what you're doing. Some people will think it's a woman. I'm not for any see a woman be my woman be an enco na if or penny be and you won't bet to nipa as an issue. What one enemy no you naked and so no him. What should say any be no obe who's way naked until the end was why you're switching chinko part of the a juma. Yama wo mo ni bie no nkoso nya wo ni bie de ne ye de ye ni mfra e wo wiase ni nya nkoma ye kra akwanketo no so fa na didi atam wo mu abamubu nsem wo mu nipa ka de wo mu pede kire wo ye fabricate story ni e de ato so they say too much wo hu be ye hi every single day they set up a traps for you to fall into it. Said ye be ya wonyame be yi nensa na Satan fa so be wi adwuma. Nti se wo ma banko no nani da ho ka ho dia ene ye wodofo me pese wani we na ho. En hwehwe bi wo bebu abam no mfira kiri. Wo hwehwe ni fira kiri a ebe yiw. Hwehwe ne free baby a woda no baby a wote ne fie na wotimu na busua na wo mu no e ho na expect ne so obefiti free aba wo ko hwehwe na akiri a ebe yiw mi pacha what you say nkofu die fu Sunday people just worry about things that won't give them life mi hia die bi na me hwa ade bi ba na me pass it through where obete I'm learning and I'm watching me hwa nkeka nipa da sani eye honam fomu a otena se a wotumi hwe ni nipa biem se Yesu Kristo bi wontumi nkobi na no ho asem won kan ya na nipa bi ho ye mmobo. We worry too much. We worry ourselves too much. Busa hu se ade na ama wo adwenjene do so na nti Awurade se momfa mo hawo no modade ntomi so na wo de akura na wo de asoa no. Busa hu se sa de wo de asoa no ebeti mama wo nko a enko wom. We spend hours, we spend time, we spend money to please human beings. But we don't spend time, hours, money, and please Christ. Make me deeper life so soft be. Was let your Christianity affect your pocket. Make be an mystery. Some people in this world, it affected their pocket. And when so a bit yes no the way they carry that person in who so be a pagan and sass of Jesus Christ I'm a nipa to party da and so Bible necessary will be by your body will be by Christo ma I saw a buff winina that will be by Jesus Christ and ni run and a crowd in corner a saw a buff winina bossy ntika wo ye behwemu pa nka birthday kese pa ye da o de boye ni be sakra na dwen abefa Yesu Kristo se ni wura ene ne kraje. But they won't do this. So what you see? Nti wiase we na ye wo no. Satan eduma o ye no. Ene ade so ade adwenjina wode ato nipa so no. Nti amani pa refi se Bible say ade nyinem. Adi nyinem ye fasidama Christ. So what you see? Yeah, what taking over agenda? So what you see? Nti ye ya be ya body fufra ye ne honam ni moja ntu agina bi. Woni honam ni moja tu agina wo be pro. Woni honam ni moja tu agina obehye wone honam ni moja because what the honam musam na no obeyade. They don't understand spiritual things. They don't understand say sumnyamia or no die ne niema no se di usi ye no e different. So what you see? Ye carry sika ye niema etimi say. The enkwom we don't do it. The enkoji wom we don't do it. Ye sum honam nti Satan de ye gumpochire. Sanity. Nti wama nipa bi tete baby they talk. Minti so bia kan say ade wei mamfa Yesu Kristo a enipa beke ka me ho nsam amanfo kora besere me minti da nso bi ye honam fama de a otimi ka ma anye ni say a amanfo besere me ma anye ni say a ombeka se o malusu ma anye ni say a ombeka se o mekora mamobra ma anye ni say o ombeka se mekora me se mi ni hwe ma bi ba minti se wo bi say se mamfa Jesus Christ ya nipa besere me nimbe guase no tu mo se di wiase ne ko o se Satan dem konson good nipa na ya wotwetwe wo mako wo oh sabre me no kase obi focus nyina ene na bufuo ene ne niam oye nyina ye ne wedding no process no the lady didn't do the things right the opam na tade no onyenwie ye omombe ye decoration no omunyenwie ye ene nti akua didi was my stress dodo and me say I have to do this me bana me koto ne din no e was omo ye say I was Saturday when ye twa me woda niam no up to now my I was say do her 24th up to now at the end of year 26 and I'm so stressed and what did this kokwasa team? And the day came out, it's over. That's what we do. Our focus is on things like this. Oh, you didn't say, hey. See who to tell her about so. See who, a money or problem or. No one to see me say na me kora ne me to for ma me hwan dia onene ho honam de ne gu amanim honam mani peti di fusam honam mani peti honam me say Jesus Christ or bambu frimu wait there or my who say nipa bi de wo mo ho atoto bibi so a wo mo think say this have to happen first answer mpofri mu no asan ti sa wadwe ye o se wo se wodi mfie bi a ana wadwe ye o se wo se sisi bi beto wadwe ye o se wo se great tribulation bi beto a e bi ana wo na wa hya ma wo hu sa de no me kasa me ti Diana see say you what because sana me who no say nipa ne bebre they think say oh we say we see answer now all of a sudden no be sana e ko say ubetumi ewu na ubetumi ewu chena ne se wu ne na wu echena se wan fo wani ewu me bo so wan fo wani ewu obi so ye bitu akowiem ne se chena na obi wu a ye bitu akowiem no wo de no bi fra daka menemu na bi nti ye betu akowiem no ye two things either say you will be life or no wo ena ye ntu nkowiem ema Yesu Kristo nzama ema wo mo akotobo dwefo no ensa no Yesu Kristo eye twice na so obasa waba first one ko the second one oba abefa na hotefo de o mako nti se wote se yesi rapture eye trumpet kese na obeti popopu a Yesu Kristo de wo sebo one na bofo de wo sebo ene totobento anu so nsame abepeda na hotefo o momu osoro ho nka ho ema ye ntu ensan echire na echire yifo no Mikai India prophet bi friend Sadhu Sanda media ne di ne mintimi mo o si wo teach sadie no for so many years that what one a rather by and was say. If you were just a teaching, you be too. Nti wo de so gidie kura wo ye betu akoma mi busa wo nyame wa bie book a wo de be data wo de be wu no wa bie so akere wonim so wonim dia and you be wise. Get prepared every single day. Sheye na one na te say the omoda anajo ibi abuburo no. Don't be wise. Nipa bebre do mo want to be so. Be very careful. Be alert. Don't let anybody. And maybe be impusu. The ebetu ye be was a bentia. And for one song to ni paso. No bet major or anytime. Don't put your trust in a man or woman, mother, father, family. Put your trust in Christ. Anyesa nipa na wo de ho ato so obetime gya wo mu eno so be do hwan na wo de ne kokot hwan na wo de ne be kokot di wo pe no we wo de ne ho eninti ade nyina mu wodofo fasedama Jesus Christ. Count it joy in everything. Uma bi bonyum o si papa mo boni mo minya mi ni wa papa mo boni mo me da wasi abribia ye wo bre mu yeden ye wo bre mu nyeden o hie tumi ba o owu tumi ba o amani etimi nsu ni nyina mu no yare nsan ye chida nti Kristo ni papa mo boni mo ewiasefo de niema chichire wo mo ho a wo mo tempenten kwa edi efusane enhu boto anu no mo de crash mu no ye die cast your burden unto Jesus, he will carry for you. Cast your burden unto Jesus. Yea, ye nam fa wiase mu niema nwenwen enkonya sleep ye da ne ya da. Nti Satan wo de amane o haw adwenwen na de watu nipa so. Inshiran kaye ne rade Yesu Kristo so wasue ye ne so a. Eniti wonderful. My Bible quotation be a made the pa Romans chapter 8 verse 9. O sis will be ni Christo home on your nedia. Wakwa sorry mfie pete nentin ko ho. Wow show more to muse Christo home menu. So sorry oh how I will nipa honam niemum. E hona wonya sleepless night. Do my yam show so what to own go. We yam show so what to own go. And no one Jenny oh massa and no one Jenny sister and no one who could die. Jin me who jin toso. And o sin shirane wana tena ne ho kom eni sukom edewo. Ote Matthew chapter 7 remember you Bible no come Matthew say chapter 6 chapter 5 also sin shirane wana tena ne ho kom ni sukom de wo ono be mo wa me ya. It may shall see free train. Or saying Shirani, whom a here for. Now one na or sorrow a hiniano, ya one dear. In Shira, any whom we here for. Bompire ready memorable. Found conclude free so bread on me. A radical me dear won't come when near break. Just a wash show, cry precious shake Christ. For sin shirani one were a ho, now one na or better one way. I will have one day be no come. I will have one. Hey, Madame for be a minute school. Minini too close to pa. In fact, I may catch them so me raho. Sandy and no know what is about debut. obi na ko Kristo o hwehwe o kra prehwehwe bibi e wo Kristo me de nkwagie bebre wo nti ama wo kai sa e ma wodi awreko nti wo kra na prehwehwe woni bi abere 6 no o si nhira ne wona tene ne ho kom ne sukom de won na wona obema won amen tene ne ho kom ne sukom de wo kra prehwehwe Jesus woni abre opese urade ntwere wudi wo gwama no nkonwom you were doing everything usuban dada wa bra bodada urade hu me mobo mami hu se dibo yeni urade kyero me di wo nkonwom no urade hu me mobo sisi mi ansa na waba yiro ho saa kofo wo so wo ye nhira ote saa kofo yi wo so wo ye nhira obi no sabeka nhira na wo patafo obi ti wan mo obi no obi kontokwa na adi mirika kopata wo mo a on na ye nhira da bi o te se meti hei ami bode wuro konkonkon fa homa Jesus Christ ni nyina ne se Satan yakeka Yesu hu nsama kire o se wonye nti me ba be bi so a kire o se Yesu Kristo wodo unti no be wuye nti ntokwa na wo ni Yesu ntama because of Satan yakeka Yesu hu nsama kire o se wonye no me ba be kire o se no entisa Satan is a liar. Bible can John 10:10. Also we follow ma. I just will be we no kun no say. Na me be ba say me be mo nyankwa na mo nya na moroso. Nti Satan na ye kromfo. Yesu Kristo wonya kromfo. Won de obai say wo be nyankwa mo nya na moroso what sa. Na che say Yesu won ta me won. Okay, and you feel na kure mama me nsa so. Me fa Yesu Kristo de mi emi wura me kra na maje nkwa nti me ma be ka woni Yesu ntam asem me ye patafo ntokwa na wo ntam Satan ye di na tam akire wo a ofisi Satan Yesu onya na asem ono wo so na obi wo so wan fa sumdie na bae na ode nkrante na chese wo taame na chese wo ye sei ne ya ka na bosonsum a wo som no na wajai na di mirika na wa be join ni Kristo e kire se ya pata ntokwa no afi wo be ti ase afi di adwobere wo o si nchira ne safo. So what you see? The time is very close. Be very wise. Run for your life before it's too late. We are living in a dangerous time. We are living in a dangerous time. Jesus Christ, John 12, John 14. Wasemu mama kuma ntutu munyi wanyankopon ni na meso munyi mini na tena bia pii e wo meja fie enti sa nka me nka se me koma kosiesie baabi mama mo na se me ko na me kosiesie baabi me mama me sama ba na ma be fam na baabi me wo no se wo ba wo betimi na to baabi wo. That's the question. That is the question, because John 1:12 was said to do what Jane didn't do. Or ma won to me so may you nyankopon nti me busa say abaye to me no erade odi ama let's will be now. Can you go with him? And no one na kodwene and no one na kusu and no one na sleepless night and no one na tete and no one na obenya high blood pressure entry saade no and no ho nya wonam fam bibia and kunim. It's just a stress. And you feel na mimu. And my way mre. And my Satan is so power. And kwanim. Tini mi busa. Jesus di oba. Oban sa renade. Na mi busa o say. Sa wote trumpet no. Ubenya taban di etu ana. Ufiri kwa asori mfie sei. Ba wa brabo nyina nkyere Kristo ni onne ye nkyere Kristo ni wutimi nya kokodro de bayi duku bo bayi so de kotena so dem bayi ni ntumfi mu wo yemo nhyew se bayi ti mu so honkokro ma wo no way eno ne so bibi wo ho na wo bayi honhom ne tutu because wonyame ye bi. And never Christopher slow, almost ferry. Would the ferry yes, I'll be cockoshy. How young one ontumi nka no aye din na ni chia se honhom betini mu no enye o de saa be kwakowu ma men kan kire the day that you die so when you pe no obetu afiri mu o akosho obi foforo mu waye nkwase aduma ntina bible no kan John 10:10 say oyifo ma o agise obi wia wo kum na wasew get this sabre we ya Yesu Kristo ba no ukuta be ya seek help ndam jane run before it's too late afoma ya na betimi di ajo ho me na ye cham ha unni power bim wo be juse balu ahaya na utumi di na mfam ha nti be wise enya wo se krokokokoko ahantanti ento hwe na mwiem krokokokoko so na wo wontakra bebrebe ahantanti foma no nenam efoma wuhia na krokokokoko no ahantam no wadenden nso u chichire no bodue mu a ceiling kura wontumi ntunu hweye na wanye se krokokokoko na wanhwe ya ento hye betua na mwiem na namfom na agye ofanso ha di frifom bia nso di wo fom ha bia age ne home na wo fom ha bia nso be kasase no kokko ontumi ntunko wi. Be very wise. And then the social media, people are bragging with witchcraft, but they don't brag about Christ. One more Bobby Bree. Fa ho to krokokoko. O hand time, o ye wa hand time of form. By so be to ceiling, master Ubua. I just said, Uje. One more bet me a tuno. Eye wo mo a wo ya atru hye nenso wo dwane to Christ nti obenya tabaye to akọ onyina nkom obetu akọ wiem ekiri ba wo bennam ha ahaya na abeje wo me na ennenye nipa fere biem omo de bayiye wo mo enne bayiye ne de hoahoaye ho ye tena so ne ye gye ho me na nso Kristofo lukewarmness nti ntimi mfa Kristo enye ye ho me na ni no so yeso yede nenam ho saa na kokwa sansa nti she's in a dead person in the dead church, lukewarm person in the lukewarm church. What did the sa kokwa sansa no otua offering tight what the sa no the nde from ha saa nam to hye hu nyansa etimetu akowim na na ha nyonko na waye bayiwu Mary Magdalene yebi ni honesty nti ye jani di wo Bible ni what you say okra obi na unsi tent so what you say so Mary Magdalene she Yesu Kristo ani ase e ma seven spirit jani ya e di na Jesus nti minye e kire kura won na be Yesu pa oba besia ho fefo timi sisa ni tirimi e de se perfume papa go Yesu na se de ni tirimi papa e mato wo ho jeje mu ye hohwa ye ho obayi ho Mary Magdalene be hohwa ne ho Kristo mu ye de ye hohwa ye ho obayi mu ade enkwani nti Jesus wu ye kora no a man was very close. What did Martha did? And nkofo bi ye pese kam makrashe. Martha was sitting there. Tie Yesu Kristo enu mose. Nso ne ya mabayi kwan mo dominate especially women. No de ye adwuma. Me kam kira so obi jawo. Obemo ye mobo. Why is it na patontua? Obi usu no hwedi wo mu yi obeto akene. Obeto akene wo mamfa so obi mti be wise. Be wise. Be very wise. E mobo me hye nipa bi a wo moden den e de baye. Hu me kuta wo mo. E wo ho wo mo. A Christopher lukewarmness nti yentimi nyina brane. Empeje Jesus Christ as a banner. Na me raho. I'm a raho. And run a me no be cassa. Na me ni din come. Mini di command was ya ade ha no chade. Ada we fi baby am fira na. Na me se me kai. So fira ntoa. On se e ho aka nim. Na Awurade de kasa kire me. Oso on so fira ntoa nti ode ho no so fira ntoa. On se ode ho ne ho. Se wonim me bi ofiri. Ofira ntoa. On so ode ho ne ho. Bosoma o na ode ho ne ho. Na Christopher so e. E di na wo se ede ho. E kasa kire me. Nti we say ni pay onu obi nya asem no ye ne hey wonu so si hey wo se jama ni mebi a mi fire ho mi fira ntoa no de ho ada ni ye de yentimi nkase ye Christopher ye free Christianity so what you say ye de abosoma omuni nkono mama yimbi edi ho ye ho but we cannot brag about Christ. Ni nyina ne say nyina yie say yigina yie a nka ye betumi de na hoahoa ye ho enam say nyina yie ntia na yesuro misre we de say ohun Christopher mobo na o mani gya ne nsane ne mbonwura ye mu ni ye ntumi nsori waka ni yetima brage wo Christo so anye sa ye mu bebre beda ne krokokokoko ye beda nam fam ha hantan aya abdi abakomasem ye be ji ho mena nenso eduro dia dia ceiling kura yintimi ntunduro inshira no wa woni abrehwehwe Christ inshira no say wie yebremu woni abrehwehwe Kristo o kan Joel chapter 2 verse 28 o se die die kire no obehwie ne honhom egu honam nyina so ebre ni nie o so be yi kuta o so nyem ba wo be die furusane wa sore de due wo mobo ahoma so kuta o so nyem konkonsa wada ne telephone no wire wo gista mfa wasom atoro pa wano nkuruma kura enye trosa eni brebre wo ye first class de biara da upeni padam for wo mobo uche wudini wonye no kofo unni no kore wo ye sisifo if you were wadi mu kura wo ye sisifo wona wo yirete but wonni mu 100% wona kunu nete but wonni mu 100% wo ye sisifo wo ye dadafo wo ye pesemin kuminya ahoya ye wo se asoku se gare so ati asie de biara da wo hwehwe de wo benya firi nipa ho but wo de want to me you don't give you always get so what you say inkoyi ye nimre o ye predisa wo ho e wo honam fam but won't me wo e wo Kristo sum wo ti wo kunu no ye mienu ba ko Facebook na ba ko so ye re o yere no ye tu wo ware ba ko Facebook na ware ba ko so re wo pem kwanje wo mobo wano ye tu wano de papa wo fu bom na wo yiri soma wo yim timi show me say one day wo benya heart attack wo fu bom na wo kunu ni no soma wo yim timi do bra na sankadwem papa wo mu a ntika sei ne beye sani kuredi wo mu a nka sei ne beye uti we wudi ukunu ni di kura kwaje bosia onim nzo onim ba fansi wo yi onim se ne to no sen waji ni se wo ye ukunu but wonim se wo nkwaje na wo si ne kwan oti ase nzo wakwaje asase ma girlfriend ukosi dan ma oyiri nim ho hwe meboa oyiri nim uti wo hwe obi ne na busua e wo ba bia wo yiri nim ho hwe nso woni ne che bills etua due wo a wotesa onyame hu mobo especially abruchi nukuri dia sa nukuri ni enya adwuma obi abeso sisi ne yonko ifi na ware form da mpa ba ko so due wotesa due nipa wotesa wa hwe ye wunyini nche. So what you say? Because we are buffo. pese me nkuminya nye enkoye mo bebre atro ubia to nchene ubia to me de nchene atro be bi bia wodi tro eso woni wi ase japade nyina na hwe no kra mfa so be ne wo so ni panim hwehwe nti wodi tro pesika ni panim hwehwe nti o wodi tro agi bibi wo mobo di bia ye kan ha krum ha di guma wale no bebre munni nokore di nim o yesro wo ya na ka wo be ya me se Bible mu no kase o ya dia eni kwasa obonkum ehunu de oni feye ade kro na o eni kwasa obonkum ehunu de oni feye anya bia e awrade mu ade na wo ye se awrade mu ade na wo ye anka nhira no ba se ni awrade mu ade na wo ye de adue o yere otimi nyinsen 6 months no de bo adwuma 6 months no ye adwuma otimi ye adwuma start to se sabri ba bia na funu du no ko so woda asisienti utimi kaniti no cha adwuma 4 weeks wo agise uja no ko adwuma ni nyina ne se wonnam na ade ne din ene na yi eje mosia eye niema nti mo credit nye nti wankọ amobede mo nya ba bia da nti wo ba besenyim 12 I say 6 months uji ni base sika 4 weeks just walk of stranger no be hende ba no sense no de ko adwuma no na mawo mu what you just so sister no ohun de onye papa no bo adwuma be 5 nso de hwe won ko awabusua na busua wo toro nko won se wo yesisifo onyame wo hu mobo Sansu ba we na mo de ko heaven. San ko fo we bi. Enye wo mo na Yesu be fa wo mo wie yebre mo. Wo boa. You lie. You lie. Ni sa krusu bi na Awurade be fa wo da bi. Wotumi wo se wo kunu wo bre na juma wo ye wo bre pa. Nso wo sori ade wo benya nka de be support wo de sponsor wo bra. Ubra na osori na ote dam yase a wawo mi ensa ne nnan woni ma different therefore na wo no wo ma na otie na otim fifi na ade hwempna ma na wo kunu tim penten kwadue wo wi na wo boy itu ayi edisai meku ntuma se wo ye Kristo ni wo mo bo bibiri wo ho mo bo wo nhwe yi ahode wo se ka wunya eni mfi wo se wo di wunya me be chechire de ma akun ana wo yere if you don't know won say we sisifo won kan kora because wo pese wo kofi na koji nimo wo kosi ba nsoro kokosi anye bia ba ma ne baba ware wo no okacha mo say wo bi company bia wo de ko baye eye company e wo tira de no betua ya me busa ka kire me say ye company wo tira de oba ware wo say wo bi company bi wo baye adwuma na mo sensan krata ene wo busuafo hwehwe say wo besi ba nsoro me busa we sisifo o yiri na wotina buruchira hanya wotimi ko Ghana ko chempana wotimi ko chempana ehwe sa oba ne na busua oba ne te anyim 6 months woni ne chedan ka na motua emire bi ko ofre dwuma ba nyame nko a ice pan woti wo hye ho a nka ne sisi nka kola no kora ko be hwere no 4 weeks ni nufu ahyehyɛ na ode te adwuma mu na wo so ko Ghana wo di bu atopo die onyame wo mo ubeye mo bo ni kuredi asa enti ne obi kura be ma ko Ghana na yire kan ho se me ne wo nko obe ko Ghana na ni kunu be kan ho se da bi nya bia me ne obeko ni nyina ne se onim ne boni wo kwa kodie nkade na efe anya mu ni sika mu nyina mu ntena se na mu ntutusu ka mu nya sika na ka mu mi nyina nso boni wo kodi nti o ko Ghana ni kunu si woni ne beko o si da bi na de nan se wo ma meye o mo si Ghana fo si moden o ma meye bi obi ye ya ma ni nakedness e beta obonten guess ye bi o si Ghana nye komo so wati o ko ji nani no oba warefo Me say da Yesu be pie wo papa no wo se me nkan kire oba o enya wadwe si wo long term emre ni so wo nsakra bi aye ne efiri na kuri ade bi a wo die sie bo mama na papa na mani me come kire unless mama nkan dia wo betimi die sie mama nkan ebia me ne me yire ware me ye Kristo ni mapa onye Kristo ni me tiase se e wo se Kristo ni me tua ntutuso dudu me tiase me yire ntiase okay me kunu ntiase ofisi ye nsem hunu kura na yedi ofisi ye chichi sika de akoma obi no wadi bikwa because of so one tiase na me bie so kire na be problem no me kotua me tight anya de a obi hu me mfa nchiro ene ba me musa me mo afode e wo nyame mu a eno me mie so nchiro because sikani bra shawma we are envious even the little bit we dey me brother no person saje ka ho nso nya no na be boa wo oti ase because ka otim no to petrol gum ana me boa se petrol asa na otuka na anya bi e be ko se oto petrol gum na why buyer de o ma wo moja edu mo frusa na ne mframa wo home no a wo ma wo hode an de kwa aduma no wono so se na wotua no wotu wo ni insurance se wo insurance me wa a wo de ko hospital wo yare a wondua ho ka se wotua na me busa wo papa na wo ma moja di mo frusa ne na mframa na mo huni mo fofo na eba no wono so se na ade ma no se ahode ode ma wo ni bibi ode ma wo nyina achi wo de wo nya ahode no wo ma wo ahode na de kwa aduma no bo so me no so yade bi ammo bibi anyewa emu tutufu dudu yi 10% na fama wono awurade na se usika ni nyina no opa nti sister ka betimi etua wono de wo se 10 pe na fama no eno soso nkofu bi ani bere nti me hu se wo ye mikunu na wani brisi kasa me tua me tight anya de a wo behu ene de awurade di maganse ene ba me mu se me bo for de ahye Kristo ni monyama I won't let you see it because when you brisi ka that one I will hide by some hide this sika esie ya koma mini ambe makude emisa munya saso ahojo mame ha na munsida no for ofedi to so he na me kunu hu se eye ne dia mamu ma bibia ma musem ama ne hu bibia na dachi bia woni wa na ye yafa ma bie ayiwe matoka we ha me de obi din na ye nti mamu ma ne hu na wodi sie wo so tumi hu se wukun o ya kra yare wo je wodia na de asie wo sori bathroom na odi nkomo ekuya ofa o afrenman ofa ai me 50 million nato yes ai na you maminya mikunu ba maminya hey unyame shop God is watching papa ne ba no papa wa no oda ye ni emu ye mu asa ye mu so asa ya nwaso asa ya fish no krasa na nse me kue kokuma ponche na sa but who di sika no anka obetimi na di aboa no wo so na di sie na di ama sister wan hwe yi fie no nam me ka me kira wo mbese kuaje let me tell you nti so wotimi fo wotimi wo no no awro wo kawa no di afa wo beti sa na ayo no awro wo kawa no di afa wo beti bebre mu bebre mu kunu no bia ni at this time mu yire no bia ni at this time di ntia because wo ba foforo no when ni no kora ma no wo de niam asie afa amafo ahase bibi so ono so hu ye no wo ba you tit for that nti won samo you don't trust each other trust in him cause wo ba ye no ye niam bebre ni nyina se wonim baka hu se eche se de ya system no baba be hu no wo hu so ne ni ti abaye mobo mu bebre sa na mo ye ka be ya ma so bi di no krama wo kunu from the beginning wo bi di no krama wo here from the beginning but mu bebre wo de niam be sie we me say abrofo ye no mu ye wo mani atetan me kai mere bi me kwadwuma na lady ba ku bisa omo koto aduan na so nto bi mere Me man no say me man the card because oh yeah. Nam see you mean you card. Really? You don't have card? Nam say no. Everything is with my husband. Really? I feel no more better me say. Minji me personal one. They teach me this. Omo an church me kwano. And I run to the bank and I get my own card. Or say this one is yours. You hide this one, he won't see it. Then every little money you put it in there. This one. They teach me. They teach me. Nyamiya maduma. Eradima mi unsa rodu na onam so. Now bibiye mu ye fine. So what you say? Nsu kada ne kuta mi kunu. Miso mi nena dia. Sana mimi hunu. Oh ye nyina ye din. But will be Mama Jenison, no. You need yours too. That one is every woman have a secret card. That's what they said. Every woman have a secret. Every married woman have a secret card. You need the secret ones that you can do things. Because you can go to the mall, you want to buy something and they don't get it. You know, man, they don't understand. Maybe you see something, you see Louboutin shoes, you want to buy it. This guy doesn't understand, okay? He thinks you're stupid. How can you spend $750 to buy a shoe? Men don't get it, but when we look good, they like it. And this is why you need your own card. You hide it. You put some money on it, you buy whatever you want. They said this to me. And I'm like, yeah, you're right. I can do this, CCC. You can order some stuff by yourself, you know. It's your own card. That's all we do. So you people don't do that. I said, no, we Ghanaians, I mean, yeah. You get up in the morning, your husband will do everything. That's how I grew up. Oh, really? This America, we don't do that. And my first time, and it's true. I went to the store. I purchased some stuff. Because I did not use my husband's card, so he won't see it. Because even if you didn't give him the receipts, crying, they will print it to him. He will see it. And then he will call you. Hello, my wife. Let's have a meeting. We're going to have a talk. On the 25th September, you bought this at Nordstrom. It says Louboutin. You bought $750 Louboutin. And I look here also. You bought 1,700 and Louboutin back. Are you kidding? This can cost your marriage. So that's why you have to hide it. They said this. But when you do it they won't see the receipts. That's a worldly talk. This is how they teach you things. They say hide some stuff so you can do certain things. And it's true, when you try, you can do it. And also, when you're going to buy something, they tell you, come up, oh, golden this and that. Okay, I can spend this. But if your husband is going to be, you know, you will have a talk. Fights, I mean, yes. But when we become Christians, everything is transparent. We don't hide anymore. When we become Christians, we don't do that. We have to be transparent. Everything. Hey, Mami Amatua. You see, I have to show my husband everything. As my husband is greedy man. If I show him everything, I don't think I can even buy duku. So I'm not going to do it. If you're a real Christian, start today. All your secret card, pull it out. Your husband is going to see it. Tell him the truth. Husband, the reason why I'm keeping this card for myself is, if I need certain things, not everything that I'll tell you to do it for me. So this is my secret card. If I need something as a woman, underwears, bras, you name it, I can buy it for myself. So this is the reason why I have this card. Show him. And no son oba. Ekuya. Where na me so card no menya yi. Oh na. You won't say last be now yes you card. Bia Who was kakaka do so aka ma me yi na. Me pay bi me ho akere me pa o si obo. Bra. Who ni so? They say I sound a J. Na dia ma. Everything is transparent. And no son will see what. Jesus will come in. Sanity. Some men are greedy. Some women also are greedy. But when we become Christians, we are not. And yes, they have secret cards or secret bank account to be bank enough. The same as ma corona iba here ni pe wu chom mutu sa man for bank for be body pa. Because the secret in you maybe where you see and you didn't bang for will take over. Who could do so when you mean case? Into what is the sense in this? Make sure everything is transparent. That's it. Also, see you assassin no bit messi you. Manin sisiu. Christian tea ya yam kwasia for. Manin sisiu ha. Nanya dan koma okra. Aha ye transit. Yen free ha ahanya fe ahanya de. Niman koyo ha. Don't hide it. Don't do it. I did it before. Mr. Brofuna, they sit down, just sit here. Let's do the talking. Seriously. You what? So you don't have a card? Okay, let me show you. Where is your phone? You see, you go here. Papa Nobo. You see your name. Okay, so you do this, you go, they will give you that one. He won't see it. Okay, this is what you're going to do. Call, maybe if I come for any panel here, you tell her, say, oh, if you make on tips in Winche, now face you see, can I go direct? No, and also on say, then you put it there, you're done. Yeah, it's simple like this. So when it comes, whatever goes to him direct, that's okay. You still have something. And I'm like, oh my God, you are a lifesaver. Thank you so much. See, I don't know all this. We can teach you more. They will teach you. Brah, they will teach your wife. Sister, they will teach your husband. So please. Danger is ahead of all these petty things. And until now, because there is hidden things. When you're transparent, things there is a lot of hidden things you are hiding. Till ready to nenia, what you say still no, you are we are come see come sa. What you say? We are come see bra. E didn't now ayi e de say who ko Ghana kra na o yiri na ye ma show di ntia. Say again ntia meboa. Won hwe yi da ko kwaku. Sister, e didn't na wo ko Ghana o yiri se chenchena. Ukunu se chenchena. On ex-boyfriend me. Wo pese on ne kodeda. Ade na wo yes. Wonim se wo waje no me egu hu so. What she sister bank sika nyina no waje no wadenden boga na aba ukoko spending uba no obe paper wa no base ne ba na mo credit say ya na ada ne ntokwa wo fie o no yire afa ni je wo se ba wari mu no ne bi mponim wo di we go heaven be come chiro say yesu beja wo be ye mobo tu die jeja ho no guess ne nya wo sakawa wo be ye mobo se ya. And you want Jesus to run to the bar who be no. When you me first sifo, one me first zan, one me fa wagadregi for, one me fa 224, one me fa one me fa greedy people. When you me one me fa one, no. One me fa one. And I'm not the way you're talking, Lydia, as if say you don't know the life of America, you don't know the life of Europe. How can you be this transparent to your husband? Then your brother and all, now you be out, most likely that's how the Bob Brower, Eddie Abrebusian for paper and betcha me. Next me, baby, I will sign ye. Now, mean, come on. Mubaya Mubi and some of the Bob Ramebois. Now, for I didn't know what you may see. What is wrong with you? and you call yourself Christian. Who say anything one you know? Did you so one you need? Some of me in a crom for will be a young uncle. Until will be a genimuno. And yet kind. Sanaye. Oh, Bano company be the sign when I'll say I see now. One send him when you're more nipa. Say, how do you want to already so now pay and down come out all these things? Come bother. Why now small war, which I was sister who could do Ghana? No one for be young come out of my Ubertum. Why the small war? Obia small. Obia small. Obia small war, which in which I water so catch them. Yet the nipper the nipa bekenti e ma bebre ko sayim bebre ewu wa bra wo munye awrade dia because of nipa ni mo hwehwe because of nipa ni mo hwehwe ye bekenti ye be ye sayinti oni bi ni kunu nim okọ jebosia me state am wo so yi wo timi ko yesa wa bra oni oyiri nim hu hwi masa wo bo tere kisekoro na wo ye ye wo be fia. The same as Oba. What do you mean, Koyasa? Ombe lieutenant the abetroyer, Ombe abetruku. Into be wise. So Oba so no can I know tomorrow when you're domo. Why do you were? So perfect from her. Opesa on Nancy at the croco. Go ahead. Or not dear, Opeso ya atrocious, or to me true. In your wages, so you Jimmy for. So what you say? Hey, you are sitting near to us as so many sisu. Ye de ye kwasie panyin kire ye pedan kwa ama ye kra. Yes, and no freduma ba secret credit card ni na beguo eni weni yini ni na guo tesemu eguo no nka nche say adentia because we are living in a dangerous time. Simple. Nyesa ba ya konchena ma wo ye matwaku. Igila wa ube ye bi wonyame wonfiu because we are cromfo. So what you say? One she you be woman sika ka bank. Be wise. Ma bibia mu na wonyame na nipa. Ene na me ka tell obi me say me sponsor ye Jesus Christ. On the sponsor me. Se me ye bibi no one sponsor me, that means some person be a mayor. But he's my sponsor. So what to me the nyame to me the gold. E share fish enu ma obi deliver ya. Unyame. Fish be a me gold share enu obi ya ba. Nti me no obi a me ko ne cool. At the end of the day so me yem kunindifo. Ti se de ho to awrade so a ye ma ye bibi anya wo no. Onwe ye nimase o. Onwe ye nimase. Kakra na odi sie be ma nkwa mebusa e kire odi wo goma nkwa hu uji ni pani mu nyam ekuya koye yekekanda ibi wo bisi wo ni kurum enya asam kito jai kwanyam chapa yekekanda ibi wo kukurisi ni kurum afi wo kuru ni mu hwe yesi yi abombedru of eno ati hu yesi ofa dan no and there be yesi ni wo fa so no yesi ofa yesi na hu na de ntokwa tese Odi ko heavy. Ekrumo for the ombeje ye me nada en die ombebo abasoso be kwa kohye because when ni nokura we trufo wo sa ye kromfo e ka ho unni nokura mo nyina mo de pen and paper to this is what we are going to do you yourself hide ya wo hide so ke nyame mu kura wo tate kura wontua na nkampeso wo tua wo free ye bo afode so no obo woni atofree Utu hwi ni ho unto akonwa ma Yesu won tena so oti ase honam fama nije na wo pe di nipa be boy ye ba wo hyew nipa duam so woni nkwa unsa wo mobo bebribe enemy too for been there done that I been there done that but Christo who abusunti I am no more that person nti se woni Christo ampa now when you control everything, I will say you're transparent. Mammy, I'm not yes, transparent. Me could what an idiot man fancy in one question. Yes, I pepe. Mani fancy and one see. It should be crowd one way I said the woman here. You and you. When did she pass out the end of blue? No, I said the woman here. And Jim official ye Jimmy for when it says we in the first class. To the side. Pop to bend to boom pet. No one yet by no true. So what you see? And yes, sir. Obey your mumbo. Sabri. Say, Radia can't. I will Joel chapter 2, verse 28. Said, you did to be in home. I go on in a so no home in your Maya, and it's a baby crumb. Check yourself. Our young moody look. Christos to say, a Busian send out here. Dear Nawoye, Abrabo body, yes, Christo, the old say. Was one more dear who's spending was as so. Jesus Christ, let the assembly woman. Watching the Juma, watching the city of Bayan Coupon Jumacoso. The Piana da Oca, sorry, a sunlight, it's not on your so. What was that who said? Yes, Christo, and to see Catherine so. Emma softened the tongue. Electricity will general as if you honor. A quite person on Fasuchi, so would the Abusumis or Kutia never. Never. And so offering crowd to an AOD. On such a day, do say that the can win your be. No way. Cause we is for Utia electric bay. As a matter of fact, or insurance card. I will go to you. We are your own too. Oka Utimunja insurance. A bomo and momo, Utia, mewa. Who prepare yourself. Then you may not do more do more Fusania or hometry. Send why a man or say only 10% and why all day. And you never cruise to be teaching. Say tight to your cranny. Oh, my boy. Amanfo yani kudi wu ekum kofo a omobusua kura ntimi nsomu no a woda so edi mo fusane when they protect you mibusa when they protect you nso wonse chiede adi bi be kwa manyami dabi nso mafu mbom ye nka se nipa so mesi ewu ya gigistika ni monti ewi ase ni munyam nti utimi kukuru sika se deche na ade akwa koto nso wo kwa asori tight, you who see what you are tight. Offering, no. But who could you say to me, bonsa, and your bones? For now, yaman. You don't know, Nassassin Kukumucha. Obey me on safety. Sanity. Ye net, Naminko for Nemobo. Naminko for Nemobo. Nina say. So why young who's a quakubo for? I'm a sham coma cassia, and you will be the more. You won't get it. Nyaminko for counsel, they won't do it. To keep it. Give it to the dead people and sit in a dead church. And one day, that's where you're going to end up. Michelle May, Gina, yes. Ye jina hanya bone ni pass mesi wasu ukutane nsam no ya meye ne sana wono no kutua tight amanya me obi ehunu no eno ya man fans o eno obi ehunu nti wontua but mompene ne ye wo mayade no they love it what wanimo ni panim no nyame so what wanimo nanim Africans ye mobo this end time be wise before it's too late. Danger. Yes, you see me control say. And Mra wani na wo so mpofiri mu eni wo bepi. Enya wadwen say wo long time. Time na aka 8 year. 8 year. Onua power didi ame. Na wo kra nso kom di no. Hwehwe waje nkwa na wo kra be me. Onua pa wadidi ame. Na wo kra nso kom di no. Hwehwe waje nkwa na wo kra be me. Hwehwe waje nkwa na wo kra be me. Utumi da na untumi na. Adaya iwiase adwendwena fa wo mu. Wabra woni nkwa wo de be ma wo. Na wo kokoto no nyame se meje me mframa. Eno ho ne yekobusa. Nti wontena se nyinyi wo nyame asam ho da. Akra ewu, akra yare. Unyinyi ne ho da. But wo dwendwene ho nam die. Na obi ya adwuma wo de say Barclays Bank ekokoje akatua wo de say Lance's office. Yeru tutu ye nine said ya kontu fori tuo. Yeri tutu ye nine said ya kontu ye tutu he ye kwa anu no. Ye kwa ye kwa no ye kwa no nti kwa na wonam so no hwe ye kwa emre ni wo ma ye tam ni so ewi ase adwendwen na wafa so no ebekum abra unkoye awurade dia fa awurade ho adwendwen so a no wonfra wo nhira di ukura mu bi agye mese ma no bia secret card mpie unless some person come from her. Be honest to your husband. Not the best since. Or you greedy. No so beji bibi through some. Give it to him. Let's shed you nyamebe. Brother, everything you hide, be a such a if you really want to make it to heaven. Now we hear fa onko kum nyashi. Ye japadi ane Christ. Ye no be sign contracts. Nyame ye wadom na timi bibɔ case wo dia. Wan timi ensi bi ebi besi bi am bi ahan bi eye sanity. Unless so person otna. Mi busa wo. Wan na ekɔ Ghana wo ye transit. A wo wie yo kɔ press ase wo. Baby wo ye transit. Mi busa. Play fufuro ba be fa wako. Wo duru house ya hana me be press ase. Wa bra woni chi ase. Next flight is coming to take you. Flight no so next flight no enkukuru fie enkukuru luggage bia is you and yourself nti dia wani abere wo ho na ebe waka ha no enni wachi nti be wise simple say Jesus is coming wasama mehu se wo ba na nipa bi free say eni omudo mo atu nipa bi so se wo beche prepare yourself get your house in order. Time is near. Jesus is coming. Period. End of story. Ewie. Nkomo na no. Di wo waso. Unti bi honhom na kasa kyerasa. Wo woni aso kokowu. Wo woni aso kohye. Simple. No. Man can't tell what me. There's a mekaso no one far, maybe a medjuma. That's all I can do. Sampe pepe. Because yeah, so better Christus no abada da. Unyini ntem. Uda so te say kotia. Ujina baby ujina. You have to grow past. But what does to say? Nti nature says something wrong somewhere. Kokoyo correction. I mean so men koyo me correction. We are preparing ourselves to meet Christ. A brand new hope, brother, sister, a brand new hope. Sansima make a went here. Now, Coco whoop on him. My woman himself from Muja. Soon is done. Thank you, Jesus Christ. I rather made us. A show any money or kiss, yes, what didn't kunim. Made our sister on my dummy mobile, so be a secret, is what I. Eradi yeda wase ya tin sama woni yaka ye correction esi ye ko biebie niam so a de de wo haw ne wo yu ne bebreye no ye so so boy ni ntimi nyina animu se de tie bia ne twitwaje wo Yesu Kristo Nazareth ni didim amen.